Before we dive into the wonderful world of make-ahead Christmas cookies, it's essential to understand a few things. All cookies are best enjoyed freshly baked. Freezing cookies after they are baked is possible, but they will get stale more quickly after thawing than cookies that are not frozen after being baked. On the other hand, certain types of cookies can be easily prepared and then frozen while raw to be baked when you need them. This method is ideal for busy bakers who want to have fresh cookies on hand at a moment's notice. Here are a few cookie types that shine when prepared ahead. Slice and bake rolls. Traditional slice and bake cookies are perfect candidates to make ahead. Simply prepare the dough, shape it into a log, wrap it tightly, and freeze. When it's time to bake, slice as instructed by the recipe. And voila! Freshly baked cookies in no time. Drop cookies. Many drop cookies like chocolate chip or ginger snaps can be scooped onto a baking sheet and frozen individually. Once they're solid, transfer the cookie dough balls into a freezer-safe container. When cravings strike, you can bake them straight from the freezer, adding a few extra minutes to the baking time. Sturdy roll-and-cut cookies. Cookies with a firm texture, such as sugar cookies and gingerbread, also do well when frozen. Roll out the dough, cut out your favorite shapes, and freeze them on a baking sheet. Once they're firm, stack and store them in the freezer. Baking frozen cutout cookies is a breeze, and the results are just as delightful as if they were freshly made. Tips for successful freezing. To ensure your make-ahead Christmas cookies turn out perfectly, follow these essential tips. Proper packaging. Use airtight containers or freezer bags to prevent freezer burn and maintain freshness. Labeling. Don't forget to label your frozen cookie dough with the type and date. Thawing. When it's time to bake, let frozen cookie dough sit in the refrigerator to thaw for a few hours or overnight. Baking temperature. Most cookies bake beautifully at the same temperature as their fresh counterparts. Just add a minute or two to the baking time if needed. Quality ingredients. Always use high-quality ingredients in your cookie recipes for the best flavor and texture. The gift of freshly baked cookies. The beauty of make-ahead Christmas cookies extends beyond convenience. You can also prepare batches of dough, freeze them, and gift them to friends and family. Include a baking instruction card, and your loved ones can enjoy the pleasure of warm, homemade cookies whenever they desire. So, this holiday season, embrace the art of making cookies ahead of time. Baking ahead ensures that the spirit of homemade goodness fills your home, no matter how busy the season may be. Happy baking and happy holidays!